Welcome to the ACTexpo, where innovation meets sustainability. This year, we had the privilege of creating an extraordinary showcase for Hexagon's brand new clean energy semi-truck. Our team provided two 40-foot shipping containers, expertly stacked to create a striking and elevated display, ensuring Hexagon's latest innovation received the attention it deserved. Special thanks to Word Up Productions for their flawless coordination, making this vision come to life seamlessly. We'd also like to acknowledge Image Solution for the impressive 40-foot LED wall that premiered Hexagon's new semi-truck. This stunning visual display captured the audience's attention, highlighting the cutting-edge technology and eco-friendly features of the truck. A shout-out to Brumark for their impeccable installation of the flooring. Their attention to detail provided a solid foundation. Lastly, a heartfelt thank you to Play&Co for reaching out and trusting us with this incredible project. Your confidence in our ability to deliver a standout event was the driving force behind our success. Together, we created an unforgettable experience at ACTexpo, showcasing the future of clean energy transportation in a truly unique and captivating way.